Hey y'all, welcome. It's Debbie, Girl with Pearls. I've got a great 4th of July DIY project for you. Now, these wooden stars were at AC Moore for $1. Now, I have to undo the little metal hooks, but no big deal. I thought it was a bargain. I used some pliers, pulled them out, and we're going to paint them up. Now, these were dollar store, $1 each. I'm just going to peel off the front of it because it's a great wooden box. So I used just a knife, a box cutter, and I just peeled it off. Yeah, I'm going to sand it all down just to get the glue off of it so I have a nice surface to paint. So I'm just going to make sure that I feel it's smooth. I want it to look shabby, so I'm not going to be too fussy. It feels smooth, so I'm good. Now I'm going to start painting. And I kind of used a more Americana red to go with my house. You can use whatever red tone you want. And I'm just going to coat the front and the sides because the back's going to be glued to the box. And I really only had to do one coat because I'm going to shabby it after. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me paint the whole thing. Okay, now I'm going to start with the blue. I'm going to paint a star and a box and a letter blue. I decided to use a foam brush instead of the stencil brush because I think it's going to go on a lot faster and maybe give me better coverage. So that would probably be a suggestion I would make if you're going to do this project. Okay, now I'm working on the white and finishing this up, this box and this star. Okay, so what I did is mixed up some brown paint with some water. I diluted it, and I'm going to use that to shabby. Here's the brown paint, just a premium satin enamel. You can get it right at Michael's, that's where I got it. Add a little bit of water just to thin it out. And I'm going to paint it all over my pieces and then rub them with a cloth. And you can see I've already done that one, just to give you an idea what it looks like. Just take a cloth, and if it builds up too much, dampen the cloth a little bit. That's what I had to do to thin it out. Now I'm just looking at how I'm assembling everything. Make sure when you glue them that your star, the bottom of your star, the feet of your star aren't below the box, or it won't sit on the shelf properly. Okay, so now I'm going to glue them, all the 3 pieces together. And then I just wrap some twine around them. I think they came out adorable. Just what I was looking for to finish my shelf. So if you like the idea of the twine, just, whatever you have. I just happen to have this in the house for my daughter-in-law's wedding, my son and daughter-in-law's wedding, left over. She had a shabby barn wedding, so I had quite a bit of the twine left over. So I've been finding ways to use it, and I thought this would be cute. So I'm just going around it a couple times and then just tying it in a knot. If you decide to do this project, I will tell you it cost me $7. It was $1 per box at the dollar store. It was $1 per star at AC Moore, and then the letters were on sale, 3 for 60 cents. So it was a very inexpensive project, and golly, if you were to buy this, in a store or on Etsy or something, you'd pay a whole lot more than $7. So I feel like it's a very budget-savvy project to do for the holiday. And then you'll have it forever. And if you have older kids, you could even get them involved. They might like doing something like this. Yeah, I decided I didn't like the bow. I just went with the regular knot. But you do what you like. You could even use a cute firework ribbon or star ribbon if you wanted to do something like that, but I wanted it to be more Americana, more country looking. And there you go. I think they come out great. I hope you'll try a project like this. It was fun. I enjoyed it. But I love doing crafts. Anything crafty for me. When I could keep my hands busy crafting, I'm a happy girl. Well, if you enjoyed this project or projects like this and you're not a subscriber yet, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. And hit the little bell. You'll get notifications for every video that I upload. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting and happy 4th of July.